How to fix message failed to send on iPhone. Are you frustrated with the dreaded message failed to send or message not delivered error on your iPhone running iOS 18? Don't worry, I've got you covered. The first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data and vice versa to see if it resolves the issue. A quick fix that often works is restarting your iPhone. Simply press and hold the power button, slide to power off, and turn it back on. This can resolve temporary glitches. Now, let's dive into your message settings. Go to Settings, then Messages, and make sure iMessage is turned on. Toggle on Send as SMS so your message can fall back to regular text if iMessage fails. If you're trying to send a picture or video, ensure that MMS messaging is also enabled. Keeping your iPhone updated is crucial. So check for updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest version of iOS 18. Don't forget to update your carrier settings too. Go to Settings, General, About, and if there's an update available, you'll see a prompt. If the issue persists, consider resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset Network Settings. This will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so reconnect afterward. And there you have it. If you followed these steps, your messages should be sending perfectly now. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.